Got a small scrape or scratch? Before you get to painting, let's talk primer. The secret weapon for smooth, lasting touch-up. Give the bottle a good shake to make sure everything's mixed. First things first, always clean the area thoroughly to remove any dirt or grime. Now for the fun part, applying the primer. Grab a fine applicator brush, dip it in the primer, and apply it in thin, even coats. You don't need to glob it on. Less is more.
Make sure you cover the entire area, and don't worry if it looks a bit dull, that's normal. We'll bring the shine back with paint. Need more tips on touch-ups? Subscribe for more easy-to-follow guides. Now, here's the part where you have to be a little patient. Let the primer dry completely before moving on to paint. It usually takes about 30 minutes to an hour, depending on the weather. And that's it. You've just primed your car like a pro. Up next? Applying the paint for that perfect finish. Stay tuned.